Take your workout to new heights with the Performance Treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. Step on the wide running belt that has built-in shock absorption technology to ease impact on your joints. Reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity in a flash with 15 levels of automatic incline. Handrail buttons and pulse sensors allow you to make quick adjustments on the fly based on your heart rate. Quickly track your time, distance, speed, pulse, incline, and calories burned with the built-in performance monitor. Mix up your activity with 15 pre-installed workouts that automatically adjust speed and incline and store up to 3 personalized programs. Equipped with a tablet holder, USB charger, and Bluetooth connectivity, this treadmill keeps you connected to your favorite social devices. Designed for long-lasting workouts, this treadmill can support up to 265 pounds. When you're done, simply refold the treadmill and roll it out of the way for simple storage. Jumpstart your in-home cardio workout with the Sunny Health and Fitness Performance Treadmill.
When it's time for health and fitness, it's time for a SereneLife treadmill. The Apollo is the perfect solution for a wellness routine right in the comfort and safety of your home. Roll out the treadmill, nudge the support latch, and watch as the deck safely and slowly lowers itself to the ground. Hop on and set up your favorite tunes. There's plenty of space on the built-in phone rack and cup holders. Attach the safety cutoff leash and get to it. On the Apollo, you can set your pace or choose from a variety of preset workouts designed to challenge your fitness. The textured belt provides just the right amount of traction. Whether running or walking, handrails are there for your support and are equipped with pulse sensors to help you gauge your progress and stay in the right zone. Revitalized and rejuvenated. Simply lift the deck, stow it away, and get on with your SereneLife.
Get the convenience of an in-home workout and accomplish your fitness goals with the Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Weslo. The robust 2.25 horsepower motor is powerful enough for thousands of miles of speed or endurance training. Take your run anywhere on Earth with iFit technology. Use your tablet to pick a course. You can pick workouts designed by certified personal trainers, and all of your stats are tracked automatically. Ready to burn more calories? Use the 2-position adjustable incline. And the large 16 by 50-inch deck can handle any runner's stride. But it also provides comfort cell cushioning so it reduces impact on your joints. With quick speed controls, take your run up to 10 miles per hour and choose from 6 different workout apps to mix up your routine. And stay in your target heart rate zone with the quick thumb pulse sensors. And when you're done, simply fold your treadmill with the innovative Space Saver design. And get a 1-year motor warranty and 90-day parts and labor warranty with your purchase. Take control of your fitness with the Weslo Cadence G5.9i treadmill from Weslo.
Luxury meets performance with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink Asuna SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill.